It's time we restore the life principle, respect for life. When people, I ride in cabs and they ask me, what's your religion? I say, take a deep breath with me. You've just joined my religion. What kind of religion is that? I said, it's the aim of all religions, life.
Yes.
There's nothing bigger, better than life. Even cockroaches want to live. You try to get them, they're
the
running.
fastest thing running, aren't they?
Why? They're running for their lives.
Yeah.
So life must be the most important thing. So now all I have to do is respect your life. You respect my life, and that's the end of war. But if we argue now over, well, I'm a Muslim and you're a Christian, we're going to argue over what? Dogma. I call it dogmas, the guts of dogs.
Yes.
Because all it does is create division, divisiveness. Sunday morning, Friday night, Saturday, and Sunday are the three most divided days in all of the religions, because they all have their various denominations, each one proclaiming themselves to be the right one. Now, if they just would exalt life and honor each other's lives, then they can sit down and discuss things in a civilized way. Since civilization should be about the preservation of life, devil worship involves disrespect of life, because it seems as if what they tell me about the devil is supposed to make your life miserable, and that's what wars do, make people's lives miserable. So all of those hierarchies, and I want to say here that this is not an indictment on members of religions. People are truly sincere in their belief that their faith in deity is going to save them from disasters, from all different types of maladies and disease. And as your faith is, so it will be for you. But you don't have to let anyone force you to believe in anything, because in African culture and spiritual culture, you must know. Knowledge is greater than belief. When knowledge comes, belief has to sit down. If I hold a gun to your head, my brother, and I told you to believe that red is black, you will believe that red is black, and you will proclaim it with the loudest voice, you see. But you cannot know that red is black. Knowledge, your eyes will tell you that is not so. So we are living in the age of I know, which is the Aquarian age, which is on the horizon now. I think 2012, we actually come fully into Aquarius.